Using Klaviyo for copywriting involves creating compelling email content that aligns with your brand's voice and drives engagement. Here's how to do it effectively. Understand your audience. Use Klaviyo's segmentation tools to identify your audience based on behavior, demographics, or purchase history. Study customer profiles and analytics in Klaviyo to tailor your message to their needs. Draft engaging email content. Write clear, concise, and personalized subject lines to capture attention. Use Klaviyo's personalization text to make emails more relatable. Focus on benefits and solutions your product or service offers. Leverage Klaviyo templates. Choose or create custom templates that suit your branding. Include copy in key sections, headline, body, and call to action that prompts action. A/B test your copy. Use Klaviyo's A/B testing feature to experiment with subject lines, CTAs, or email structure. Analyze which version resonates best with your audience. Automate campaigns. Set up flows and ensure the copy aligns with customer journey stages. Refine through analytics. Review open rates, click rates, and conversions in Klaviyo's reporting dashboard. Adjust your copywriting strategy based on data insights.